This is the 15-ounce animated mug mock-up. When you open your, well, firstly when you get your zip file, you need to extract it somewhere onto your hard drive, and that will extract a PSD and 4 video files. Make sure you open the PSD after you've extracted. Don't be tempted to open the PSD from the zip, because it won't be able to read these extra files. So once you've done that, open the PSD. Top layer here is just a space saving layer. You can throw that in the bin if you want. I'm just going to hide it. First thing you want to do is get your design on there, and that's that green layer here. If you select that and then double click this little thumbnail here, it takes you into this step that's marked as step 2, and here it says double click again. So double click this smart object. This is where you place your design. So go to place embedded, wherever you save your designs, place one on there. So imagine I've done that. Now you need to close this smart object once you're happy with the positioning of the design. When it prompts you, say yes, and then we just close this stage here because this is just we're passing through here, and be sure to say yes. Then your design should be on the mug, and you can use this little scrubber here to preview. If you want to change the colour of the handle, that's on this layer here. It's got this effect, colour overlay. You've got to do is double click colour overlay, and you'll get this pop up with a colour picker there. When you're ready to create your video, just click this burger menu here, and there'll be render video there. Best to stick with these default settings. All you really need to do is give it a file name and select a folder where to save it, and then when you're ready, click render. Now it'll take a minute or two depending on the speed of your machine. And if you want to change the background, you can. It's this layer here. Double click this smart object and then do file, place embedded, drop in your background, and then close it and say yes when it prompts you. Optional shadow there, you can change the opacity there, and I think that's everything. Give me a shout if you got any other queries.